here at DMCC round 4 at ICAR. It's raining right now, unfortunately. We had a great day of practice yesterday in the dry. We worked a lot on the car setup. This track is way different than all the other ones we've run. It's a flat track, it's a figure 8. Still very technical. And anyways, yesterday we had the car feeling really good. I felt good about my driving. Today though, we got to reset because of the rain. So we're, making some final adjustments on the car, getting ready to head out for practice in an hour, and we'll just keep our fingers crossed that the rain stops around noon or 1 o'clock so that we can have a dry competition at the end of the day. Just finished first practice. Track was at first super wet, and then it was very patchy, and then at the end it was mostly dry with some patchy spots. I overshot the outer zone 2 a little bit, got into the painted surface, which was super slippery, so we tagged the wall. But anyways, luckily just cosmetic damage and bash bar, so guys are fixing the car right now, and take a little break and then go back out for practice in an hour. Yeah, I was surprised. I thought it was going to be, I thought the damage was going to be a lot worse. A little love in the car, man, it was like, bang! Yeah. I went like a foot too far. I hit the blue line, and there's no grip there. And then as soon as you hit that, the car just washes, and see you later. Yeah, so unfortunately went out for second practice and did one lap, heard a noise coming from the motor, so we think we might have spun a rod bearing. Luckily we caught it early. It's just a very, very slight noise right now, so we're gonna drain the oil, see if we find any you know, shiny bits in there. But I'm just thankful that we didn't, you know, do a second run and completely window the block and destroy the whole motor. At this point, if we're lucky, might be able to pull the motor out and just do some bearings and put it back together for the last round. But unfortunately, this means it's the end of our weekend here at DMCC Round 4 at ICAR. Not the way we want it to go, of course. You know, this year has been really testing on the, you know, car side of things. But you know, you gotta expect these things. This is a brand new build. It's a high level build. There's lots of things that can go wrong, and we just gotta, you know, roll with the punches and you know, keep getting back up. So we're gonna, you know, take a look, see what we find, and go from there.
Okay. It spun number 3 or number 4 rod bearing.
You think so? That's your prediction?
Yeah. It sounded like in the back of the block.
Oh, I got that. On va cacher la
Lance la bière. Non, non, on filme ça en 4K, là. Check, il y en a une là, il y en a une des mains. Ça conduit après. Tabarnak!